What is going on, guys? We're here back and we're about to review the Hefty Plus Deluxe phone holder. So, some of my viewers noticed that I had the deluxe phone holder, the Delta, the regular one. This one is, and I did have a problem with it because my phone was like still like that little one piece, this little piece right here, it kept breaking, like, it was like squishing it. So, I didn't feel comfortable with that. So I decided to basically, yeah, go ahead and switch it out for that one. So this is it's the same. It looks the same box. However, the only difference is Hefty Plus Deluxe phone holder. So as you can see from here, it looks thicker. Um, Basically, yeah, it's the same thing and waterproof. It also. Oh yeah, I forgot. It also comes with the extra stuff. So this is $20 more compared to the regular one, and I can see why because adding the extra. Let's just see that everything holds up to its value. Um, I know online people say that it would break off, or like the little hinge would break off. I didn't get to test out the other one, so I can't give my honest feedback on that. But I think the fact that some people do it is because they add it on the bar right here, rather it's sitting in the stem right there, because there's no support for that one, especially if your phone's kind of heavy. So we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up, and you know me, I like to open things very, very cautiously. So yeah, let's go ahead and start on it. I'm already making like several fingerprints on this. Either way, um, yeah. So I feel confident with this one. Um, and like I said, I was looking through the pictures, and that's because, like, some pictures they tend to well, when I got the original uh Delta phone smartphone holder, um it looked it had this picture basically of a thick case, which I will know for sure the difference. Like, I still miss my old phone holder that I had from my previous iPhone 7. Those would be that stuck with me for that long time. I miss that case. It was the best thing. Um, Already, and man, I can already tell a difference. So we'll get the box here, and let's see. Let's take it out. Oh man, let's do it from this way, because I want y'all to see it too as soon as you take it out. Dun 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 dun. All right, so we're looking at that. Definitely a big, 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 big difference. So yeah, totally different. If you want to go check out my other video, yeah, this one has thicker bezels and grip pads too. And does it still have the same quality rope? Yeah. Oh, okay. Crazy. So the rope is actually here now. It's no longer like it used to be on this side, but now it's on the other side, and the locking mechanism. So let's see how far it stretches out. Also has them on both. Okay, cool. So, oh wow, even the rope is kind of more sturdier than the other one. So definitely an improvement in quality upgrade. And I feel, yeah, this is definitely gonna fit my phone. I am actually pretty, yeah, I feel more safe now. So this one, it's bigger, and like I said, it's Hefty Plus, so it's made for big phones. So let's go and give it a shot. So I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max here, and let's see, let's go for it. All right, so we'll put this up here. Oh man, it's barely reaching it, yo. But maybe it's just me that is doing it wrong. But let's see. No way, dude. No way. Oh, it's off by an inch. That's definitely gonna be a problem. Let's see. Let's see. Let's try doing it this way. If I can just get it to at least sit. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, I can see the grips on the bottom. All right, whoa. Okay, yeah, this is definitely a big difference. So I had to force it to sit there, and as you can see, it is impacting. It sits pretty good. I mean, the this is holding pretty good, and I do feel comfortable. It's not. I don't feel like it's stretching it, but it's like sitting right on the spot. So this is the only thing we have to mess with, basically. So it is on there. However, this right here, I feel it's gonna come off in the future. where you can't see it. Let me see, try to get a camera. This right here specifically, these little grips, I feel that it's gonna come off because as you can see, it's not really sitting on it, but I mean, it's at least it's holding on to it. So I noticed that there's other bigger cases, but man, 13 Pro Max just literally it's almost like an SMG. This is like an SMG. So yeah, I mean, it's overall I feel confident. Like I said, I'm gonna give it a shot. I just don't like that it doesn't really stretch all the way. I mean, there's kind of force that you have to put into it, but that's normal because you don't want your. I don't think my phone's gonna go anywhere. The only thing I'm worried about is this right here, and on my bike, because if that breaks, then I'm pretty much screwed. But I hope Delta takes feedback and for them to make I don't know, I guess wider. I mean, the other phone held up pretty good, and as you can see, it's not really sitting there all the way. That's because of the case. But if I did take off my case, I'm pretty sure it'll sit flawlessly. But that is not the issue. The issue is I have a case, I want to protect it, and I want it to sit pretty good. So yeah, so we'll leave this here for now. I don't think this is gonna come off the elastic band, so that's pretty good quality right there. And right here we have the items. So it comes, which I'll be installing later. I'm gonna have to do a little tool work, and it has 2 items. Love your order? Well, let's find out. Oh, nice. Okay, so there's 2. All right, this one didn't come with the other one. So this is basically you put it around the bike or wherever you have it. I use my bike, so this will probably be good beneficial. I'll probably add it for support. I mean, I'm not gonna be needing it, but I mean, if you're paying 20 more bucks, and you're gonna want to pay for the better quality. And replacement bumpers, nice. Where are the replacement bumpers? Like what the? Oh, okay, they're right here. I think they're here. Are these the replacement bumpers? Where the heck are the replacement bumpers? Either way, that's great quality. Oh, they're probably over here. Oh, they're inside the phone. Yeah. I see what they're doing. But man, it is kind of tough to take off. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to break it. That's the thing. Yeah, the bumpers. Where are we at? Yeah. So overall, if I had like without the case, I think it would fit pretty good. But if I'm struggling to make it fit, that's kind of gonna be a problem. Oh, so this right here, guys, this is where the issue is gonna be. So this is gonna kind of like not sit through, and it's supposed to sit through, but we will see what we can do with it. I don't think there's any other slimmer case on the 13 Pro Max. I'm still using the Body Glove, so shout out to Body Glove for it's still pretty well. So small review. It holds up pretty well. I still have a little. I haven't taken that off because I want to make it last long. But overall, I do love this phone. I love the phone as well. Another small review. The phone is awesome. Great battery life. If you need something like this, this is the one. Kind of heavy, but hey, it's worth it. The only small problem is the lint, but I don't really care, because we'll wipe it down easily. But overall, yeah, guys. I'm gonna take a look at this more. We're gonna see what we can work with. The bumpers, like I'm guessing it's part of this. Either way, guys, this is what it comes with. Let me make it. But yeah, that's the only downfall. I'm gonna have to take a look at it more, see if it doesn't like mess up. So I'm gonna start installing it and see what I can do with it. Great, I have a lot to do. But that's what the tools are for. Oh, yeah, cool. They even had this option agenda. Cool. So you can put your phone on here. Waterproof mat. Excellent. Of course, you get the instructions here. 20% off. Next purchase. So, yeah, sweet. And we got the instruction manual. So this is pretty good. I actually like this. I'm gonna basically take advantage of this, and I'll let you guys know how the Hefty Plus works. There's a lot of things, but good thing that Delta provides these things, because I would have never figured it out. See, this looks kind of convenient, but that's probably gonna tear off soon. So I'm not gonna use basically the elasto mount with the clamp, but I'm gonna, yeah. So yeah, see the handlebar clamp, I don't trust that. So I'm gonna go with the stem mount. The stem mount seems more, it has more grip, provides more cover. So that's probably the best way to do it, because all these other ones, the phone's kind of heavy, and then this is heavy. It's not really heavy, but it's like micro heavy, I guess I could say. But overall, if you put these two together, yeah, they're probably gonna fly off, or this is gonna definitely break. So we gotta have support for that. But yeah, guys, oh, there you go. Sweet. Okay, awesome. Yeah, guys, so once again, this is the Delta Hefty Plus Deluxe phone holder. I'll give you guys a review or update. Just keep on the comments below. And yeah, if you have used this before, let me know how it is and how it served for you, because, you know, like, I'm pretty stoked about using it. And I guess this is for the stem. Yeah, it's gonna go in here. Remember, guys, always read the instructions, because is this backwards? Nah, there's no way I'm putting it backwards. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I will let y'all go. I will let you know how this is, how it goes. This seems convenient, but I'm not gonna trust this enough for it to do that. That's where it goes. Oh, that's where it is. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna do the stem mount like this. Okay. We have the things on there, so that'll do. All right, guys, once again, this is the Hefty Plus Deluxe phone holder mount, and I will see you all later. Peace.